Crypto is creating millionaires every single day. But most people still have no idea how it actually works. Today I will change that. I will explain crypto in a simple and informative way. Crypto is short for cryptocurrency, which is digital money. It works on a technology called blockchain, which lets people send and receive money safely without using banks. Now that you understand the basics, here is how people use it. People use crypto for many reasons. Some see it as an investment. Others use it to make fast and worldwide payments. Some believe it's the money of the future. Still with me? Later in this video, I will show you a powerful trick that professionals use to profit even when the market drops. But before I do that, I want to remind you, the crypto market is extremely turbulent. One day you are up. The next day you are down. Think of it as a high-speed emotional roller coaster. If you do not have a decent plan, you can lose all your money. That's the reason professional traders watch for predictable trading patterns or previous market setups. Plus, they follow clear trading signals, and with this strategy they are able to make profits in both directions. In the crypto world, we have two main groups. On the left, we have the bulls, and on the right, we have the bears. Bulls believe prices will rise. Bears expect prices to fall. The fight between these two creates market movements, and this creates opportunities that smart traders take advantage of. But crypto trading is not so easy as you might think, so please follow this important rule. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose, as risks are always present. Start small, learn the basics from me, increase your position size step by step, keep your emotions in check, and take profits on time. What do you think? Will you try trading crypto, or does it feel too complicated for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading them, because I like to understand my audience. Check my video description for customized coaching and trading guidance. If you want personal support to clear things up, or if you want to confirm your current thoughts. New videos are posted every Wednesday and Saturday. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you are the first to discover my latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me on X for daily market updates.